Yes, sir. So, like, argument is a type of conversation in which two people are basically fighting. Like, there's a person and he's saying something bad about another person or something topic he's saying with that another person doesn't like, and that person, we can say, that person is kind of in anger. So they then they start fighting, but not by like physical or violence. What we can, not fighting. They are not fighting,
Non-physical violence.
not physical violence, but like argument is not good for everyone, as because of it many types of friendship will also can be ended because of a small argument. And many in India right now, many of the relationships and many of the families are also getting to be ended because of an argument only. And
Relationships. Okay.
yes, sir. And if I talk about a characteristic of an argumentative person, like he doesn't like to uh, work on the thing which any other person has said. Like if you have said something to an argumentative person, he will not follow your the thing which you have said, but he will do the thing which will come to his mind, and he will always be in angry mood and these type of things. So like an argumentative person is not a good person according to me. And sometimes arguments are good and sometimes it's bad. Like if we see, if you are fighting for yourself, then the argument is good. But if you are fighting with someone for your benefit, like to make that person harm, then it's not good. Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay. Thank you. It was a good presentation. Yes, it was a seamless flow of words, I must say. And also, there were no grammatical errors while you were speaking. And your pitch was proper. But yes, I want you to work on your voice modulation. There should be highs and lows in your voice while you're speaking. Otherwise, everything is perfect.